Want to see more cool videos on our channel? We do, so press this bell and enable to send notifications.
Bamboo can be called a miracle grass for so many reasons. It is one of the fastest growing grasses, with some species growing as much as 36 inches in 24 hours. Bamboo is best known for the strength and durability. When it comes to strength, it is much stronger than general wood, bricks, concrete, and even steel. Here are 7 amazing uses of bamboo you didn't know. Number 7. Beer. After realizing that it was possible to grow bamboo in Canada, master brewers came together to create the ultimate bamboo beer recipe. Spearheaded by an Ontario company called Bamboo Beer, it's hard to believe that this alcoholic beverage is made out of bamboo. Well, it's not technically made out of bamboo shoots, but it is brewed from a tea that is made from bamboo and hops. Bamboo Beer is a 5.7% ale that you need to try out the next time you find yourself in Ontario. And if that's too far from where you live, you can even find a bamboo beer company in Mexico. Number 6. Pet toys. While most kids shows insist that you can let your puppy chew on bones, doing as such can be lethal. But don't stress. Pet toys made out of bamboo are an easy and safe way to allow your pets to have some fun. You'll also be doing the environment a solid favor, since bamboo toys are eco-friendly. Bamboo chews are also a great alternative to the usual plastic chew toys. The fiber in bamboo is actually very healthy for your dog's digestive system. If it's good enough for the wild panda bears, then it's good enough for our beloved pets. Number 5. Reinforced concrete. When Dirk Huell began searching for a more manageable and moderate alternative to steel, he found bamboo to be a strong contender. He and his group made a material out of bamboo strands that really performed superior to steel. When they reinforced concrete with their bamboo material, their testing machine was not able to break it down. Most developing countries do not have their own steel industries, but they usually have access to tons of bamboo. Reinforcing concrete with bamboo will allow developing countries to construct many new buildings, since bamboo is way cheaper than steel. Number 4. Natural remedy. Bamboo is also used medicinally by healers in most Asian countries. The bamboo leaves contain many antioxidants and are the secret to healthy, glowing skin. Bamboo shoots are known to regulate menstrual pain, ease heavy bleeding, and help with labor pain. Because of its antibacterial properties, bamboo can also be used to treat wounds. And if you have mild indigestion, try eating a bamboo shoot for an easy cure. Who knew that one measly plant could be so multifaceted? Number 3. Paper. Bamboo has been utilized by the Chinese to make paper for more than 1,500 years. Since using wood to make paper is decimating our forests, the popularity of bamboo paper has grown in recent years. And you don't have to worry about bamboo paper being worse than regular paper, since it's pretty much comparable in every way. In addition, you can even buy bamboo tissue paper and toilet paper products that you won't feel guilty about using. Number 2. Rugs. If you've ever been shopping around for a new rug, you might want to consider getting yourself a bamboo silk rug. Bamboo silk is derived from dried-out cellulose that is extracted from the bamboo plant. Since traditional silk rugs are delicate, they usually have to be placed in low traffic areas. But bamboo silk rugs are durable and won't wear down if they're placed in high traffic areas. You can also purchase a bamboo wood rug if you're looking for something that will show off the naked beauty of this natural fiber. Number 1. Toothbrush. Like we just mentioned, plastic is a huge issue. Did you know that over 1 billion toothbrushes end up in landfills each year in North America alone? One of those toothbrushes, the ones that are made out of plastic, takes about 400 years to decompose. Luckily, we can now buy bamboo toothbrushes that are made with handles that are 100% compostable. But even if you throw your bamboo toothbrush out with your garbage, it'll still decompose much faster than regular toothbrushes. And because bamboo is antimicrobial, you won't have to worry about any funky bacteria growing on your handle. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch up my next video.